Hello my dear students, in the last video we studied about the comparison of fractions and also to convert the fraction unlike fraction to the like fraction. Today we are going to study about the ascending and the descending order of fraction and also about simplification. So what do you mean by ascending order? When we arrange a number from lowest to the highest, it is called the ascending order. So we arrange the number we have studied earlier in the ascending order of the numbers. So we will arrange the fraction from lowest to the highest, that is the ascending order, and we will arrange the fraction in the descending order from the highest to the lowest. So in this case, 2 or 3 fractions will be given, 3 to 4 fraction will be given, and we will arrange according to how it is, whether it is greatest or it is smallest. So ascending order of fraction, for ascending order we have to start from the lowest fraction and we have to move on to the highest fraction. One example is there for you. You have to put the given fraction in an ascending order. So the fraction includes 8 by 9, 4 by 5, 6 by 7. So how you're not aware, because these are the unlike fraction. These are unlike fraction and we have to arrange according to the ascending order. Ascending order, that means from the lowest to the highest. So first what we have to do, you have to take the denominator. What is the denominator over here? 9, 5 and 7, and we have to find the LCM of that. LCM how we will find? If you will divide by 3, then 3 3s are 9, then 5 and 7. It cannot be divided further, so we will take the LCM of all the denominators is 3 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 9 into 5 is 45. 45 into 7. 7 3s are 35. 3 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31. So the LCM will come 315. So the LCM is 315. We have to find first fraction, that is 8 by 9. 315 divided by 9 is 35. So 35 you will multiply 35 9, and the same way upper numerator should be also multiplied by 35. So you can see 8 5s are 44, 28, 280, and this will be 315. So the next number 4 by 5 into how much is 315. So you will see, you have to see how to check how much it is 315. So 315 divided by 5, if we'll do 6 are 30, then it will be 63 into 63. The lower number denominator is multiplied by 63. The upper one also should be multiplied by 63. So it will be 4 3s are 12 and 6 4s are 24, 25. Now the last one, 6 by 7. 7 into how much? It is 315. 7 into 45 is 315. 9 5s are 45. Yes, 45. So both the number you have to multiply up, numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 45. The denominator you know that it is 315 because we are making it in a like fraction. So the upper one 5 6 are 33. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 270. So which was the greatest number? The greatest is this one. First is this one, then comes this, and the third one is this one. So you have to arrange according to the ascending. Ascending means the lowest one. The lowest one will come first. So this is the first one, then comes the second, 270 by 315, then comes the third, 280, the highest one, 315. So the number 3, that is 4 by 5, then 6 by 7, then 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 is the greatest one. So you can find among the three number, the greatest one is 8 by 9. The fraction is 8 by 9 is the greatest, and in the ascending order, if you write, the ascending order can be written by 4 by 5, comma 6 by 7, comma 8 by 9 is the ascending order. Ascending order of the given fraction. I hope this is clear how to find the ascending order. If a certain 3 or 4, any number of fraction is given, you can arrange the fraction according to the ascending order by this way. First you have to find the LCM, then you have to make it into like fraction by multiplying and making the lower, that is denominator, according to the LCM, and the upper one also you have to multiply with the same number, and you will check which one is the highest, and you have to check the numerator because you have made it in a like fraction. So by this way you can find the ascending order of a given fraction. Now we will find the descending order of the fraction. For descending order, we have to start from the highest fraction and move on to the lowest fraction. So you don't know which one is the highest fraction because this is also an unlike fraction. So first we will take an LCM 7, 14 and 4. So we will divide it to 7, 7 and 2. Then by 7, 1, 1 and 2. So LCM is 2 into 7 into 2, that is 28 will be the LCM. So we'll find the first one, 2 by 7. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. So you have to multiply by 4. 2 4s are 8. 7 4s are 28. So this is the first fraction. When you make it a like fraction, now the second number is second fraction is 3 by 14 into 14 into 2 is 28. So you have to multiply by 2 in the upper one, and the lower one it will 6 by 28. Now the third one is 1 by 4, and you have to multiply by 7 both ways to make the lower denominator 28, then upper will become 7. So you can see very clearly that this one is the highest one, this one is the highest one, then comes second this one, and then comes third this one. So you have to arrange in the descending order. So the descending order comes from highest to lowest. So here in this way 8 by 28 is greater, then 7 by 28, then 6 by 28. If the number has to be arranged in descending order, it comes like this. First one is 2 by 7, comma, in the descending order, comma, 1 by 4, comma, 3 by 14 is the descending order of the given fractions. I hope this is clear. This is very easy method of finding the ascending and the descending order of the given number of fraction. Now we are coming to simplification. What do you mean by simplification? When the numerator and the denominator of a fraction has a common factor, we can eliminate them and simplify to reduce them into fraction and express them into lower terms. So like for example, it is given 2 by 4. So 2 by 4, for example, 2 by 4 is given. You can reduce into lower terms by dividing by 2, and it will be 1 by 2. So this is the simplification. And here one example is given to reduce 15 by 20 to the lowest form. Here you have to reduce 15 by 20 to the lowest form. How you will do so? You have to divide 15 by 20. 15 and 20 goes both with 5, so you can do very easily. Divide by 5 is 3 and 4, so it can be reduced to lowest term by 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 is the lowest form of the simplification method. This is the lowest form of the fraction if the given fraction is 15 by 20. So in this way you can do the simplification of the fraction. Today we have studied about the ascending and descending order of the fraction and also about the simplification of a fraction. Thank you.